season we tried to do this, but it failed miserably.
Yeah, but the old phone was shite us. Oh, guys, this is a bit too noisy for my new child.
Did we kick out Eggman? No.
Did we?
No.
Chungus, why are you wearing that awful costume? Do you know how cold it is out here?
Shrek, it's no longer Halloween. Don't care. Okay. Eggman, why are you wearing that? Because this is what I always wear. Eggman, are you aware you used to be a supervillain? Wait, what? What? Ow! Well, like, Chungus used to be a supervillain.
Guys, I'm not kidding. There were so many bonfires tonight, like fireworks a minute ago, and now none of them are happening.
I mean, Chungus is a bad guy. But he made up for it by being Spider Chungus.
Yeah! You exposed me, you... Oh, wait, I admitted it a couple of days ago.
It was just like what Spider-Man...
Shut up!
Far From Home. Oh. Yes, Eggman's glorious fireworks.
Whoa, guys, look at the fireworks!
I created those fireworks.
Shut up, you're ruining it!
Sponsored by Eggman Industries.
If you continue, you're gonna leave my party!
Fine, I did make them. I made them all just for this night, so you have fun.
Wallace, this is so cool.
Oh yes, I suppose it is.
Wait, guys, I just realised. Where the fuck am I?
What did you realise?
Okay. Where's, what's the name? Where's Incineroar and Croissant?
Dead.
No, they're just watching a movie.
Dead.
No. Bad word.
That's a turd.
No. Bad word.
Toads. That sounds like a kettle.
If you keep this up, you're going inside.
If you keep this up, I'm gonna murder you.
Alright, that's it. Get inside, mister.
I got 2 assholes now.
Alright, get in.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm all sorry then.
Everyone has 2 assholes, you dumbass.
I do. Oh, Britain, you are the best place on the planet. What? I'm singing the British national anthem. Album.
Just be quiet. Oh my god, Wallace, I love the fireworks.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Britain, for Queen and country, Union Jack, Thunderchild.
You're being so annoying.
H.G. Wells, Brooks and Wallace and Gromit, and other British stuff.
He's terrible at sing-wing. Yeah, he is terrible at sing-wing.
I'm not trying to sing, I'm just trying to...
Yeah, he is bad at sing-wing.
I'm just trying to show how awesome Britain
Yeah,
is.
he is bad at sing-wing.
Well, you all suck at saying basic words.
We were having a joke, and then you ruined.
Hey, green smoke! Oh, for real, that was actual green smoke. Oh my god, that look... Okay, for real, that looks cool when it's green smoke. When it's the green flares, it's like the green flares being shot out from Mars.
Shut up. Hello,
Let me have my
darkness,
fun,
my
come
old
on.
friend.
Okay, for real, the green flares look like cinders.
They look like your mum. Whoa!
That was sick.
That was your mum.
That was
That was also
smashing.
your mum. That was your mum. That's your dad. That's your
Awesome.
grandpa. That's your grandma.
Some cracking toast.
That's your uncle.
Cracking,
That's your nana's
cracking
fanny.
toast, Gromit lad.
That's
Cracking
Gromit's
toast, Gromit lad.
anus. Fucking hell, that was a lot then. There was some
I
over there.
wanted to say cracking toast, Gromit lad again. Can you stop it with your British references?
You two are getting on my nerves.
Okay, well, Gromit, I am not Britain or America. I'm a person.
Guys, you actually annoy me, please.
No, I'm not. Britain isn't a person. It's a nation, like a nationality. I'm British. My name's Wallace, but I'm British. No, you're human.
Wallace, shut up.
Don't understand it. Big explosions incoming. No, those are just flares.
Guys, I can't get on camera to say, oh, that one's better.
This is smashing. Cracking toast from it, lad. Cracking toast from it, lad. Cracking toast from it, lad. Cracking toast from it, lad.
Shut up!
Cracking toast from it.
Boom, cut. We can make a beat. Boom, cut. Yeah, we made a beat. Hello, oh, I went boom, cut. Boom. Boom.
Big ones in the house.
Boom.
And Eggman. Oh, I was going to say
Wrong.
Eggman after eating one peanut. What are you trying to say?
Jesus.
If we threw Eggman up in the air. No, guys, if we feed Eggman one peanut throw up in the air, it'll be a firework.
Do it in 3, 2, 1.
Hey! Ah! Ow!
Oh, wow.
Don't do that, you little tick!
Guys, fireworks are so beautiful at night time.
No, they're not.
You're so negative, Mr. Negative.
No, my name's Blue Yoshi.
No, it's Hydro.
Oh yeah, I was Hydro Man. Hydro Yosh.
Hydro Man!
Yosh.
Oh, my knee.
Bit. Don't hit me, big bungus. You don't.
Woo!
Don't hit me. That's child abuse. Child abuse. Child abuse. Child abuse.
Look at my face.
Ah, okay. Your face is great. Your face is great. It's as beautiful as Uranus. Planet.
Ah. Wait. I don't think it's... Stop abusing my kid. Please. Stop.
Stop abusing my little kid.
Yeah, come on. Fuck's that noise?
How do you, Shrek? Let me ask you a question. How do you spell kids? Like, how do you spell it? K-A-D. That's how I do it. Ked.
I don't get it.
Because you're supposed to do it like kid. K-I-D. But he does it ked.
No.
Hi, Jaws, my ked.
No, I don't get it. That's stupid.
You're not funny, Shrek. You're lame-o.
Well,
Just-
actually...
yours-
Oh, look at his face.
You're as lame as Mom.
Right. Get in the house.
I have lame parents. That's why I'm so lame.
Get in the house. Get in. If you don't get in the house, you're going to the foster.
Can I stay home? No.
No, go in the house. Oh, hello, firework,
I
man.
won't do anything again.
Go in the house. No.
The door's locked.
Yeah, no, it's not.
It is. Trust me, it is.
No, it's not. Just go.
Trust me, it is.
Go.
Oh, just shut up. I'm staying. I don't care. I've had enough.
Shrek. Throw him out the trampoline.
Well, I'm not hurting my own kid.
Find an old... I'll hurt my own kid.
No, don't hurt him.
No, you're hurting him.
No, you're hurting him.
No, you're hurting him.
No, you're hurting
No,
him.
you're hurting him.
You both are.
See, I told you. I was half right.
Both of you. Okay, this is why I'm so freaking messed up. I have a psychotic and retarded parents.
Right, that's it.
Well,
Get in
it's
the house.
true.
Get in the house.
Okay, calm your non-existent V words. Okay?
Right, that's it. Right,
I didn't say the word.
nope. That's done. I'm done. I'm done with this bullshit. You are going in the house.
I'm so glad Yoshi's are deaf and have no ears. I do hear them.
Ooh, you're in trouble.
You're the definition of trouble.
That's true. But don't be rude
To
and
be-
don't state true things.
Oh, it's green! Just like the green cylinders.
Shut
Oh my
up.
god, you're right! Yes! Oh, it's not green. Oh, those are not green. Yes, green ones! Yes!
Oh, that's really beautiful.
Look! It's the green cylinders shooting out from Mars. On the 12th of August, a huge mass of luminous gas erupted from Mars and spread towards Earth. Oh crap.
What? Oh, failed.
Let me do me Jeff Wayne Waterworld's references.
You're going out. You're going in the house.
Hey, I'm an adult.
I don't care where you are.
Can we just have one divorce? No, can we just have...
All right, we'll have a divorce.
Can we
not
not
even
have a
married.
divorce for one day?
All right, we'll have a divorce.
I said no. I was having such a good streak for 17 hours with no divorce.
What the fuck? You just swore on the cockpit.
Okay, who's for?
Ow, 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 ow.
Okay, Big Chungus, should we all vote on Kick It Out, Mama Yoshi?
Yeah, let's play Among Us. Let's vote them out.
Alright, I vote out.
You're the
Oh, I
imposter.
don't want to get divorced at a freaking game.
You're the
so
imposter. If you guys throw me out, I'm blowing up your house.
Yeah, your house.
Yeah, I'm blowing up your house.
Okay,
You are the most Welsh bitch ever. Right, you're getting. I'm strangling you.
Wait.
Help me, Wallace. Help me.
Okay,
Right.
listen.
That's it. That's it, you.
Just
Right,
shut
now,
up.
shut up, fireworks. Right,
Right,
that's
yeah.
it, you. Shut up. Why is it being loud when I'm trying to make a speech?
This is the best bonfire ever. And it's technically the first.
Fucking hell. That was fucking loud.
Anyways,
Wallace,
what was I gonna
I am leaving this stupid house.
Okay,
And
can you just calm
Shrek,
down?
you can have the dumbass kids. I'm out.
Okay, what I was gonna ask
Shit.
is how the hell does she have a Welsh accent if she's from Yoshi's Island?
I don't
That's
know.
a really good question.
Okay, Shrek, she just left you.
No, she'll be back, I'm telling you. I get divorced
Oh.
every 24 hours.
Uh-oh.
She'll be back next video, I'm telling you.
Is she wee-wee-wing?
No, she's only temporarily sulking.
Okay.
She has rapid mood swings. She's worse than a manipulative bitch on
Shrek,
this
I'm being
boat.
honest, I don't fucking like her. She abuses us. Wallace was a better mum.
I don't have all those.
Shrek, we don't...
I could be the mother.
No, you're an egg.
I mean, you got
You're close enough to tits.
not hatred.
Whoa, guys, look!
Nice. The beautiful things. Also, imagine getting dumped on bonfire.
Guys, you know once a firework landed down and it hit me on the head and then I got brain damage.
That sucks.
Is that why you became all cool and shit? Yeah, that's what happened. My brain put out my intelligence and
Just-
made me all swaggish.
Just like how Eggman got mind wiped. What? Ow! Why does everyone keep doing that?
Yeah, random.
I'm not actually an egg. You can't crackle me.
Ow.
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it. Blue, your mother's a whore.
Pitiful.
Blue, I hate our mother.
What? Oh, okay.
Because she's just a bitch.
I mean, that's why I'm so lame. That's why you're lame.
Yeah, we are kind of lame.
Yeah,
I was cool
you're
before.
pathetic.
I mean, I made awesome tunes.
No, they're
Find them on
stupid.
Spotify and iTunes.
I'm telling you now, the reason why you're so stupid, obnoxious, and overly confident is because of these two being morons. Am I the only one who isn't a retard here?
I mean, check the channel name. All of us are retards.
Shut up, Chungus.
We're all a retard in our own way.
Oh, how? I don't see how I am though.
Yeah, okay, we can see how you're a retard.
What? Me being disfigured?
No, you being all stupid.
That's just me trying to fit in.
That's so fucking rude. That's so fucking rude. Oh my god.
Well, how else am I supposed to act in a family full of idiots? I swear, although Eggman can say dumbass things, and Wallace too, I think Wallace and Eggman are the smartest.
No, he's stupid. Go over there.
Yeah, but he's got so many companies and he's had so many
Yeah, but
successes.
Blue!
And Wallace
Blue,
is
I don't think
civilized.
you understand that my songs make money.
I don't care about your crappy,
No, they don't.
freaking D-budget songs.
You make $1 off it. I make music and I make money.
That $1 was me giving it to you because I was so sad that you failed so miserably.
See, you're stupid for giving a loser money. Holy shit, that was awful.
That was my anger when you kept talking. Ooh, I love explosions. Maybe one day I should blow up things again. Wait, why did I say again? I've never done that before. Ow, can you stop? Stop it. Stop it.
Oh,
Jesus.
look, guys, how much money has Chungus
Look,
made off his songs?
can you all just-
On my songs, on my recent song, I have made 500k. 500. You're rich.
Look, retards, listen. We're all messed up. But let's try and make sure Black Yoshi here doesn't grow up to be a complete dumbass. Okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna make you not a retard. You're gonna be the first person in this family who isn't mentally stupid or psychotic. Because Gromit is a psychopath, so is Wallace, so is Eggman. Wait, what? So is Shrek. Everyone here is psychotic. Even
But
you.
then something bad happened. I hate Fortnite, right? Yeah. Fortnite! What do we do? He knows what Fortnite
You
is.
delete it.
What?
That game's trash.
Fortnite! What is a Fortnite?
It's trash.
Well, Fortnite is also 2 weeks. You know, that thing.
Well, yeah, but there's a game of it, and it's horse shit.
Games! I love games! No,
These
no,
are
no.
the-
Bad game. Bad
These are
game.
3 bad things in the world. 1, Fortnite. 2, Undertale. 3,
Ooh.
TikTok. These 3 things are things you want to avoid and never be a part of, especially Undertale. It is absolute cringe.
I know. Oh shit! I know what Undertale is. Undertale is that plumber. Oh no! That's Sonic. No. I'm getting it mixed up.
Don't think about it for now. Your brain isn't developed enough to focus on anything.
Wait! I know what TikTok is. TikTok is that it's where you post like YouTube videos. Wait, no, that you.
Okay, just stop thinking about it. Just
Get this bottle. Look, my bottle.
this is why Maggie doesn't speak in The Simpsons.
I need sleep. Phew.
He's fucking bigger than you, Hydro. How is he bigger than Little Yoshi?
Oh yeah, something happened when he was born. I don't know.
He was born with that condition that makes him small idiots.
Guys, now he knows what all this stupid shit. Wait, okay? When
Well, he knows their names, but that's pretty much it.
I mean, true.
Just make him avoid it. Introduce him to good things. And also, don't act like idiots. I want all of you to act normal.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that's never going to happen with Big Yoshi.
Noises. I can't wait. Oh yeah, that's a problem. Sleeping.
Well, I'm sleeping just fine, dandy. I like how there's a bit of a red glare over there. Do you see it?
Me?
It's a bit
Oh, I
ominous red. I know what's ominous. My past. Stop hitting me.
What? No.
Anytime I meant. Okay, stop hitting Eggman.
Shoo. He fell asleep, guys. Be quiet for the
He's
baby.
definitely my son.
Dong, 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 dong. Once there was 3 little piggies, and they blew up the entire world. The end. Shoo. 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 Oh, fuck's sake. Shoo. 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 Shoo.
These nachos are so good.
Shoo. Shut up! Fuck you! Shoo! 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 Shut up! Fuck you! Shoo! Shoo! Fuck you! Shut the fuck up, Shoo! 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 Oh! Shut the fuck up! Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
Too much cheese.
Shoo! 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 Nacho! Shoo! Shoo! Nacho! Shoo! Shoo! Nacho! Shoo! Shoo! Nacho! Little Yoshi passed out. Little Yoshi passed out because he's snoring and you're eating nachos. Look!
Nachos on my gloves. Oh. Love it.
Oh, my head! Oh.
It's always such a good idea to keep nachos in your pockets.
I don't get it.
I kept the nachos in my pockets.
Yeah, so?
Yeah, not with the packets. I literally just have them there. Sauce and everything. All... I keep them there whenever I get hungry, which is quite often.
Oh, I'm gonna puke all over your head.
I don't need any more.
Bold, juicy.
Wait, I'm gonna pull all of it out.
Oh my!
It's all gone.
Oh my god! Wait, let me stuff it.
I don't know if that was the firework on me. Ah, shit, my belt broke.
Ha! Oh no, I'm about to go to the moon!
Wait, guys, my costume's gonna rip apart. I need to look at that.
Fuck! Wait, let me squeeze you together. Wait, if I let go, no, Wallace, if I let go, a bunch of shit's gonna come.
Or maybe you shouldn't eat fucking greasy nachos, which have been stored in your pocket for 2 days.
Yeah, maybe!
How do you know it was 2 days?
Shut
Because you just
up.
told me. How were you able to guess? Because you've done it before. No, I don't. I'm not. Stop it! Hey, that doesn't hurt.
That hurt.
Ow.
Not many big ones are coming, guys.
Looks like Eggman's gonna need a bigger suit.
Wait,
You can have mine! Nah, that wouldn't fit.
Shrek, take this sleeping pill. Guys, he's asleep
I made
now.
a sleeping turd.
Okay, just sleep.
Oh, the pill didn't work, but okay.
Okay, guys, he's asleep right now. Let's take his costume off. Guys, help.
Donkey, what are you...
Thanks, Wallace.
So much for Batman. You know, come on. He's not asleep.
Wait, well, okay, wait. Let me do my epic finish, little Yoshi. There we go. You do know I have baby Hulk powers. I'm like Hulk when he's a
Oh, let me
baby.
just shock him. Because I still got those powers.
Yeah, that'll work.
Let me do it. You're too small, nimble, and dumb.
Have you seen the size of him compared to me?
Exactly.
Come here. Oh, he looks so cute.
Oh,
Look.
look.
I can barely hold him.
Let's Eggman try. Oh, yes. Time for Eggman
No.
to become Bat
No,
Eggman.
nope.
Egg Batman.
Nope, the camera's not going to look at it. Yo guys, it's little Yoshi here, and
Okay,
today...
we don't look at it. I'm going to enjoy it myself.
Right then.
Ah, yes! I am Dr.
Whoa! Wait, they're fighting by the fireworks.
Finding my fire with the chill of the oink.
Ah! Ah! Oh, oh.
I am the pig. Oh shoot.
Ah! Ah! Holy shit!
Oh no. Oh. Oh no.
Ha!
Oh oh. Oh, just like the toilet. No, no.
Oh no! Ah! Oh no, guys. That was
Wait.
a lot.
Where'd my costume go?
I don't know.
Did it? Is this it?
No, no, that's not it. That's not it. Fuck you, you're a bit. Oh fuck it. Sorry, Eggman. No. We need to get the light. Alright, I'm gonna knock you out.
Why you little?
Wallace, help! Wallace! I rely on you as my father. Get the costume.
Oh, sorry, that was me.
Okay. Oh, fuck!
Here we go. Here comes the rocket ship.
Shrek! Take this!
That didn't do shit.
No.
Boing! Shrek, I will stop you. Nothing can stop Shrek. I have the power of visibility. Only I control if we see or not, and I declare no sight.
Fine then, we'll just fight like a man.
But you can't see in the dark.
Oh, yes, it's gonna be hard. I'm punching the net and it hurts.
Guys, I can't see. It's my costume.
Wait, no. Bitching. No.
Get up at the top.
That's so funny. You bitch. Fuck you. Wallace, beat him up. Take your own costume. Well,
Get in.
get the fucker.
Get the.
Oh
Okay, I think we. Why, you little?
No!
Ouch!
Guys, I accidentally hit Shrek by the.
Oh, whatever.
Oh fuck! I dropped the light. Guys, this is going to be exclusive audio.
Let me go get the lights.
Okay.
Because
Go on, Wallace,
idiot
go on.
dropped it.
Yeah, the cameraman. Subscribe to the channel, by the way. It's just down there. Click the like button. Comment that you love our vids. And click the notification bell.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ow!
Guys, can you just all lay down?
Ah!
Let's all lay down. Shrek is too hurt to do any more fighting.
Yeah, because we wrecked you.
Yes, now stop it. Ah, yes, Dr. Eggman could lay down and have some.
Alright, guys, I'm using the costume as my blanket.
Come on, Gromit.
Oh, look at me.
Let's all just relax.
Yeah, I'm listening here. Yeah, they're just going to be there.
Hey, guys. What's Eggman? What do you think is out there?
Welcome. This is the end of the video.
What do you think is out there? in the vastness, coldness of space.
Oh no.
The end of the video.
Yeah.
I never got to experience the massive waves.
That was so fucking weak. Who else was expecting a big one then?
I feel like there's about to be a swarm.
S'mores. Midnight on the 12th of August. I had a shit.
Hey, 12th of August.
That's right. Your head went chocolate, Bobby.
Yes, and at midnight, the Martians started trying to kill you.
When you hit him, a firework went.
Hey, Wallace. What, Shrek?
Oh.
We're going to fight it there now.
Now ending the video.
Well, it's going to happen after then. Ha!
Yeah, they're gonna go have a massive fight.
Well,
Injuries may happen.
What do you think is out there? Hey, come on. Why is everyone so mean to Dr. Eggman?
Thank you for watching the video.
I wonder who...
And goodbye.
Alright. I wonder who Dr. Eggman was. Dr. Eggman of the past.
Ha ha ha. Kobe.
Ow.
Thank you for watching.